Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Pranavi and Mamta, for joining in. We are getting into an topic today, which is about the meaning of omnipresent intentions. Omnipresent intentions. Interesting, right? Anybody wants to share what do they understand by the term omnipresent intentions?
Actually, in vocabulary point of view, omnipresent is pervading everywhere. It's spreading everywhere. And in I don't know how he's connecting with intention, but the meaning of omnipresent, I know.
Hmm. Let's read. Mamta, do you want to share something?
I don't have much idea.
All
I
right.
heard this term, but not in depth.
Chalo. Omnipresent, the meaning of omnipresent intention. Try imagining a force that's everywhere. There is no place that you can go where it isn't. It can't be divided and is present in everything you see or touch. Now extend your awareness of this infinite field of energy beyond the world of form and boundaries. This infinite invisible force is everywhere. So it's in both the physical and non physical. Your physical body is one part of your totality emanating from this energy. At the instant of conception, intention sets in motion how your physical form will appear and how your growing and aging process will unfold. It also sets in motion your non physical aspects, including your emotions, thoughts, and disposition. In this instance, intention is infinite potential activating your physical and non-physical appearance on earth. You have formed out of the omnipresent to become present in time and space. Because it's omnipresent, this energy field to intent is accessible to you after your physical arrival here on earth. The only way you deactivate this dormant force is by believing that you are separate from it. I remember I attended one of these sessions wherein it was told that if it is the energy that is combining together to show us the form that we see in front of us. It is not that we are actual the structure. It is the energy. उसके अंदर बड़े सारे एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स उस एनर्जी में एक साथ वाइब्रेट हो रहे हैं जिसकी वजह से हम जो देख रहे हैं हम वो देख रहे हैं. एंड आई वाज लाइक सच में फिर मैं टच क्या कर पा रही हूँ. तो दिस टच दैट आई एम फीलिंग इज बिकॉज दोज एटम्स आर वेरी क्लोजली टुगेदर. हम लोगों ने बचपन में भी शायद पढ़ा था ना टर्म्स सॉलिड लिक्विड्स एंड गैसेस. जो वो मॉलिक्यूल्स दूर दूर होते हैं वो गैस होते हैं. जो कंप्रेस होना शुरू हो जाते हैं थोड़े थोड़े वो लिक्विड होते हैं. जो टाइटली कंप्रेस्ड होते हैं वो सॉलिड्स होते हैं. So these we are tightly compressed molecules and these atoms or whatever it is. I'm not good at science, but I heard this and I was like, wow, yeah, this is something new that I'm hearing. So I felt like, yes, I kind of am trying to understand it. And I do believe that, whatever thoughts we have. So there is a mystic, his name is Mirdad, and he says, just imagine if whatever you are thinking, whatever you are thinking here is engraved in the sky, in the universe, what will happen? And that is actually happening. So that is how हम कहते हैं ना मैंने ये सोचा और उसको समझ में आ गया. वो कनेक्टिविटी का टाइम होता है जब हमने तो सोचा वो तो इंग्रेव हो ही गया वहां पर बट दिस पर्सन ऑल्सो रेड इट. दैट इज हाउ एनर्जी फ्लोज. Yes, Pranavi, do you want to share something on that?
Nothing much. I mean, somewhere I'm trying to think about the intention, where what he's trying to tell is the more you think intense about your intention, that it will be listened to the universe. I mean, the universe would listen to that intention And somewhere he's trying to tell that the more you think about the intention, the more it is being engraved in the universe. So just be careful about what kind of thoughts are you working on and what kind of intentions are you giving to yourself. That's what I mean. That's my understanding.
Hmm.
That's it.
Wonderful. Thank you for sharing that.
Yeah.
Hi, Shruti. Thank you for joining in. Do you want to share, either of you want to share anything here?
I have heard that universe doesn't know any language, and whenever you say anything, they just say tathastu, whether it is right or wrong, whatever it is. So our intentions has to be, very pure. बहुत अच्छा सोचना चाहिए. तभी वो एक लाइन भी है ना, तुम शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात,
Not तुम्हारी.
something.
Yeah.
हाँ,
The
मतलब वो whatever.
inspires to
हाँ.
bring whatever you say into being.
यस, कि कुछ भी अगर हम बहुत शिद्दत से चाहते हैं तो एवरीथिंग हमारे आसपास सभी वो चीजें उस चीज को कंप्लीट करने में लग जाती हैं, इफ वी रियली वांट दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. इसलिए हम इसीलिए आवर इंटेंशंस हैज टू बी अप्रोप्रिएट रादर, सबके गुड वेलबींग के लिए होना चाहिए. That's it.
Thank you for sharing that. Activating intention means rejoining your source and becoming a modern day Socracer. Being a Socracer means attaining the level of awareness where previously unconceivable things are available. As Carlos Castaneda explains, the task of sorcerers was to face infinity, intention, and they plunged into it daily as a fisherman plunges into the sea. Intention is a power that's present everywhere as a field of energy. It isn't limited to the physical development. It's the source of non-physical development too. The field of intention is here, now, and available to you. When you activate it, you will begin to feel purpose in your life and you will be guided by the infinite self. Here's how a poet and a spiritual teacher describes what I'm calling intention. O Lord, thou art of sandbanks, on the sandbanks, as well as the midst of the 8 minute of the current, I bow to thee. Thou art in the little pebbles, as well as in the calm expanse of the sea. I bow to thee. On all pervading Lord, thou art in the barren soil, and in the crowded places I bow to thee. Wow, this is so beautiful. दिस इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. हम कहते हैं हिंदू स्क्रिप्चर्स में भी बोला गया है, कुछ जो भी हमारे वेद है, शास्त्र है, या वो भी स्पिरिचुअल बुक्स हैं, हर जगह बोला गया कण कण में उसका निवास है. दिस इज दैट इंटेंशन. एंड यू नो व्हाट आई multiple times say, when you love, it is not the love. The love that is actual love is when you feel the love, when you see your Elmira, your light, the plant, the insect. That is true love. And this is what it is talking about. That is what, that if you are a barren land, I bow to thee, because he sees it in it. That energy, that source, the universal power, the, whatever, Ram, Rahim, Buddha, Guru, jo bhi. As you make your metaphorical bow to this power, recognize that you are bowing to yourself. The all-pervading energy of intention pulses through you towards your potential for the purposeful life. Thou and you are one. ऐसे करके कुछ तो बाइबल में लिखा हुआ है. So the power that we are looking out in others, we also have it in us, and each one of us have a speck of that in each one of us. तो अगर हम सब में ही हमको भगवान दिखना शुरू हो जाए तो हम एक दूसरे को बाव ही करेंगे. इसके अलावा हमारे पास कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं रहेगी. हमारे को एक दूसरे के अंदर गंदा दिखना ही बंद हो जाएगा. we will be always into a divine energy, and we will be working through the divinity. अगर हमको पता चल जाए कि हमारे में, so there is this very beautiful thing that my mom shared with me today in the morning. That was, if the master comes to your house, and when if you feel that your guru, your whoever you believe in is coming to your home, will your volume, will your way of talking will remain the same as you are right now? Will you be wearing the same kind of clothes? Will you be acting the same way? Will you be reading the same kind of books? Will you be doing the same activities in front of that higher energy or power, whatever you call it? If not, then start working on yourself. Why? Because he's not coming to your home, but he resides inside of you. Anybody wants to share anything?
Beautiful.
Pranavi, do you want to share anything?
It's like
I
it's really an amazing example, Karishma. If you just travel a little, little distance more, what I heard is you have to consider at least one person as your master. Forget about, for an example, if you have a family, just try to consider that one person is your master. See how it vibrates and how you, work with him or her. So that exercise we have done long time back. Now I forgot about it, but the moment you have recalled this example, then I thought again I have to start from
And
the deep inside. Yes.
to be honest, let me tell you, we are always afraid how we are acting in front of our kids. The 5-year-old child, we are conscious about how we act in front of that person.
Yes.
And we are unconscious of the fact that that energy, the higher energy, is always around us. और जब
Yes.
फिर हम जब ऊंची ऊंची आवाज में बात करते हैं, या फिर we crib and cry, या फिर we are doing some kind of a chugli somewhere,
Mhm.
what happens is you are telling the universe, you are telling that higher force that your creation is not worth it.
Oh, oh, oh. So true. So true.
It is such a goosebump moment for me, because there are so many times that we so easily
Mhm.
do things that we that's like you have to be in a grateful state at all times.
Yes. Actually, you know what happened, Karishma? Today, maybe just half an hour back, I have called up my son. How are you doing? He said my Python exam didn't work out well. And then then I told, that's absolutely fine, Nani. Like how the other people have written it. Is it at an average level or how is it? Then he told most of them have done their exam well. I said, yeah, that's absolutely fine. I said, and then he told, do you have idea about Copilot? I said, it is something like AI, I guess. I told. He told, yes. From Copilot, they have literally copied and pasted the code. You know what, Karishma? Somewhere, these in this generation, it's really tough to guide which is right and which is wrong. Then he told, I was not able to do that because that's something wrong from my side. And he told, but my percentage would definitely drop down due to this particular thing. I said, you should be smart enough to do the things even in that way and this way, as I told. Then he told, no, Mama, that's not my job. My next solution is maybe from the coming week, I would work on that Python only. I would schedule a separate time and then work on it. Then I'll see how it works out. See, the child is very good, no doubt about it. But I don't know, in this generation, you should also be smart enough to do the things I told, which was wrong from my side, I guess. So
So the thing
it's
is, there
like,
is nothing wrong and there is nothing right now.
yeah, yeah. Then but according to him, it is wrong, and he told I would work on it. Then I said, yeah, you gave a good solution. That's really good. Because again, I was afraid ki I think I'm guiding wrong also to him, according to him. So yeah.
So be
No,
it.
I think you are not wrong, I guess, because as a mother, you have your own thought perspective, and he is having his own perspective. And no mother, according to me, guides wrong to their children. So
Yeah.
don't think that way. It's okay. It's okay. You have your own opinion.
True. I feel that, everybody operates from the level of intelligence and knowledge that they have in that point in time. And it's absolutely fine. I mean, whatsoever is ever happening is meant to be that way only. We think we are smart. We think we are very smart here, that whatever we plan, it is going to happen. Do you know what my mami ji, she was getting ready to go to Jaipur, and she had packed her bags, and before leaving, my cousin told that before you go, because she was going there to see a doctor, so he said that let's get the test done from here itself. They went to get the test done. The bags were packed, the taxi had arrived, and my mamiji collapsed at the center itself. Now, where does this happen? How does this happen? Because we are not the puppets. We are the puppets. We are not the directors of the movie. No matter what we plan, no matter what we guide to our kids, they are going to do what they are supposed to be
Yeah,
doing.
that's true. That's true.
So, I think we should operate from a non-judgmental space. Whatever is happening, whatsoever is happening for our best.
Sooner or later, we realize that.
Huh?
Sooner or later, we realize this
You
thing.
realize that. There are times when we are crying, sitting and thinking कि क्या कर लिया जिंदगी के साथ, and then few years down the line you say शुक्र है उस टाइम पे वो हो गया, अभी होता तो झेल ही नहीं पाता.
Hmm. And I guess, Karishma, each and every situation is interlinked very much. Matlab, I have to seen it into my life also. Every experience is interlinked. As you are going forward ना, आप आपका पिछला experience आपको अब काम आ रहा है.
हाँ, नहीं तो एग्जाम्पल कहाँ से देती ना. ये
क्यों?
पूरी स्टोरी क्रिएट की गई है बाय द
It's
क्रिएटर.
all pre-decided, no doubt. We are just performing. And it is already written. ठीक है, there is always a free will also, because when we do right karmas, so good things, good people comes in front of us, so that हम उस पाथ को फॉलो करके अपनी जो भी XYZ चीज है उसको कट ऑफ भी कर पाए.
Wherever you reach in life, you have been given this place so that you
Hmm.
make a choice at that time. You're always
Yes.
given two choices. You come to the end of the road and you have two choices. कौन सी road पे चलना है? Whichever road you choose, your destiny takes you that way, because the entire plan has already been made. अगर ये वाला चूज करेगा तो इसके पास ये दो ओपनिंग आई थी, ये वाला चूज करेगा तो ये दो ओपनिंग. फ्लो चार्ट वी ऑल नो, राइट? अभी हमारे लिए पूरा चार्ट हो चुका है, डिजाइन होके आया था, एंड नाउ व्हाट एवर वी विल चूज, वी विल गो अकॉर्डिंग टू, वहां पे एंड पे पहुंच जाएंगे.
And many people choose the comfortable path.
Yes. Do you guys want to read ahead, or we shall stop here?
Okay, as you wish.
Pranavi, Shruti, what do you want to say? Chalo, I think we should read little bits, because that is better, because it's better if we soak in the energy that we are getting from here. And Shruti, you have not said anything in this session. I would like to hear your perspective on this.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. I came at 10:13. I thought it was like paid session, but you hosted in the group, so I came back.
Yes, because the
I
first
didn't
5
go.
sessions are always free for any book that I
Which
start.
one? Sorry?
The first 5 sessions are always
First
free
one.
for any book that I start.
Okay, okay.
That when I put it on YouTube, that is also public for all.
Hmm.
जिसने देखना है जाके देख लो.
Yeah. This point, like Mamta ji said that everything is going in a flow. Everything is linked one another. So we are just puppets in the director, with the director. That's all. I think this is a good book prescribed by Pranavi ma'am.
अच्छा वैसे I want to for each one of you to know that Shruti has a win to share, and that win is that she has started her own book reading club as well, and
Wow.
congratulations on
Congratulations.
that. Congratulations, Shruti.
Yeah,
Congratulations, Shruti.
Congrats, Shruti.
thank you. Let's see how it is going. First book is from Jay Shetty's Purpose, Think Like a Monk, Purpose of Life.
Superb.
Thank
All
you.
right, on that note, let's close the session. Thank you, each one of you, for being here, for showing up for yourself and in this energy. For, right now I'm feeling as if I should, sit for meditation for some time, because that is the kind of energy that I'm feeling, of a lot of gratitude towards whatever we have in life. So if you are feeling any of such energies, I would also love and encourage you for at least sit for 5 minutes in your meditation, or maybe you can write some gratitudes. And from tomorrow, when you wake up, be very, very, very mindful about how that energy is with us at all times. Right? Okay, good night. God bless you all. See you tomorrow. Whosoever wishes to join at 2 p.m., please feel free to join, or else see you at 10 p.m. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Thank you, Karishma. Good night, dear. Good night to all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Good night.